Time for Chartbusters then. What's trending on the charts? Let's connect with our technical analysts. We've got Nooresh Merani and Kunal Bothra right back on. So Nooresh, what is it that's your Chartbuster idea for the day? What's the Fataka stock?
So that's a chart for Sun Pharma, a stock which has gained over the last few days a little bit. But if you look at the last 8 years, the stock actually topped out around this 1150 to 1200 mark back in 2015. It was one of the best movers back in 2012 to 2015. Went through a dip all the way from 1200 to 350, 400 levels, and now has finally come back to that 1150, 1200 mark. For the last 3 months, also, the stock was consolidating around this 1080 to 1160 mark. So a short-term breakout done as well as on verge of a longer-term breakout. So could be a fresh trend for the stock. Expecting a target price of 1300 to 1500, stop loss at 1140.
Okay, let's find out what the next Chartbuster idea is then. And Kunal, take us through your top chart of the day.
Well, it's on BHEL, Aman, and how the charts are poised at a very interesting juncture in terms of a breakout. So the near-term trends for BHEL was when the stock was going through a bit of a mild downtrend. It started off to get into a rally mode end of the month of July, start of August. From here on, the pace rallied or intensified. As you can see, the stock start to get into a breakout mode, and from here on, from levels of I think 100 to 140 approximately, the stock went through a very sharp uptrend. Now in this last 1 or 2 months, the stock has gone through a consolidation. It's heading towards a breakout of this consolidation. This is around 134-35 mark for BHEL. This also completes a potential inverted head and shoulder pattern for BHEL. So this could be a very interesting breakout. If the stock completes this level of a breakout and closes about this level, we would expect the stock to take out the level of 145 and even come back to levels of 150 over the very near term.
Right. And what about individual stock strategies?
So two buy calls. The first one is a buy on Sun TV. Would recommend that as a buy. Targets of 688, stop loss 650. And the second would be a buy on Federal Bank. A bit of a slow mover, but I think looks attractive for a breakout. Targets of 156, stop loss 147.
Okay, let's find out what are Nooresh's top recommendations. Nooresh, what are you picking out?
So first year buy on BHEL, the stock has given a breakout of the last few weeks. Stop loss at 130, target price of 150. Second is a buy on RBL Bank, a strong recovery from the lows, again setting up for a breakout. Stop loss at 238, target price of 260.
Okay, let's